Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix online multiplayer connection issue on Xbox Series X or S.
Fix 1. Check Xbox Live status. Step 1. Go to Xbox Live status. Step 2. Make sure Xbox Live services, especially multiplayer, are online. Step 3. If services are down, wait until Microsoft fixes them. Fix 2. Test your network connection. Step 1. Press the Xbox button, Profile and System Settings, General Network Settings. Step 2. Select Test Network Connection. Fix 3. Restart your console and router. Step 1. Turn off your Xbox completely. Step 2. Unplug your router modem for 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug in the router modem and turn on your Xbox. Fix 4. Use a wired connection. Step 1. Connect your Xbox directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Test your network again in Settings, Network Settings.